Hello, good day, how are ya? I'm Annette, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is gonna be a short but sweet video. I was at Walmart recently and I was checking out the hard candy stocking stuffer display because they usually have a shit ton of stocking stuffers, whether they are hard candy gold or hard candy mold. I came across these babies. I swear to God, I dug through these fucking shelves for half an hour. My boyfriend thought I was fucking nuts, looking for different colors, and I could only find 2 of these. So these are little ombre-ish lip kit. They are with their velvet mousse formula, which I actually really love. I don't love a lot of hard candy stuff, but their velvet mousse and their metallic mousse lips I love. So I only have 2 because that was all my Walmart had. I'm pretty sure there are more variations of this. It says on the box they're $3, but they were actually $2. So yay. I have the Better Not Pout set, which is a combo of 2 velvet mousse. And I have the Sparkle Like a Unicorn set, which is a velvet mousse and a Glitter.effron top coat. We're gonna try them on here. Okay day. I'm gonna start out with, because I'm not keeping either of these on, we're just fucking around right now, with the Better Not Pout set. So this, they come with a cute little ribbon and you pull them out. And this one comes with the shade, okay, it doesn't say the shade, dark brown and a neutral sort of nude shade. They smell like cupcakes, by the way. That is dark. So that is the first color on and applied. These are really comfortable. And now we're going to take the lighter color and just put a little bit in the middle and then kind of tap it out. That's actually really nice. And you could still even throw some gloss on here and church it up a little bit. So this was the Better Not Pout set. Let's dive into the Sparkle Like a Unicorn set. So it's got the same little bow to pull it out, and then we've got a like hot purple, like a neon purple almost, as the velvet matte, and then we have a white iridescent Glitter.effron top coat. Let's put this on. So this is one coat of the hot purple. It's not patchy, it is very smooth, it's not drying, and it's really comfortable and not sticky. I just really love this formula, and it is super affordable because it's hard candy. So now let's take the Glitter.effron top coat. Oh, that's not bad. These top coats are kind of watery in consistency, and they do dry down, so you actually can wear them comfortably on top of liquid lips and they won't take off the product, and they will last just about as long as your liquid lips. I think this is freaking wicked. Oh my god, like look at this. I really like this. The Sparkle Like a Unicorn set. So that's it for this video. If you have not tried out the velvet mattes from Hard Candy, you're not wasting your money. It's not a lot of money, even if you were, so it's not the worst thing in the world to try out. I highly recommend it. That is it for this tiny little blip of a video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your thoughts are on the hard candy lip products. Which ones are your favorites? Do you just hate them in general? I don't know. I like to know these things. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.